Welcome to my YouTube channel, friends. If you find any kind of problem or any mistakes in this, please forgive me, as this is my first blog and first YouTube channel, as well as first video of my YouTube. So I thought, yeah, it's a very tragic incident which happened in Pahalgam on 22nd April. Everybody knows, definitely, till now people are still in a dilemma and still in a shock ki how this could happen. Yeah, as I am into travel field, and I thought ki definitely yes, I am promoting since long Kashmir, and I thought let's support Kashmir as well as Pahalgam, and it becomes my moral duty as well, because मैं कश्मीर करती हूँ, काफ़ी करती हूँ. तो ऑन 22nd अप्रैल हमारे साथ ये इंसिडेंट हुआ, ये अटैक हुआ जो पहलगाम में हुआ. और उसके बाद आई गॉट सो मैनी कॉल्स फ्रॉम पहलगाम एज वेल एज श्रीनगर की मैम प्लीज़ आप आइए आइए आइए. तो आई although my family members did not allow me, my son was like nahi mama, you can't go, but still I said no, I have to go. I managed to fly on 29th, and my stay was for almost 4 nights. I stayed in Srinagar for 2 nights and 2 nights in Pahalgam. The glimpse I'm showing here in my video, in my YouTube blog, is just Pahalgam. I'm not showing any Srinagar pictures and Srinagar, people in this, because my motive is to promote Pahalgam. I want people should not get scared anymore. So 29th, you can see very few people are there, but most of the people which I saw in Pahalgam were all the reporters, YouTubers. Tourism was there, tourists were there, but they were very limited, not much, because as I am a frequent traveler to Kashmir, I see a lot more people, complete road, touristic places. Now you can see road is completely empty. You're not going to find any kind of tourist vehicle, and hotels are also vacant. Vacant means like none of, few of my friend have opened new hotels there. जस्ट बनाने का ये वीडियो, ये मतलब यही था कि ठीक है, अब हम उस चीज़ से निकल रहे हैं, एंड मैं चाहती हूँ कि हम निकलें उस चीज़ से. हम अपने आप को एक जगह स्टक नहीं कर सकते. वी कैन नॉट स्टक आवर सेल्फ एट वन प्लेस. वी हैव टू मूव अहेड. वी हैव टू गिव सपोर्ट टू कश्मीर, बिकॉज there is no work, people are sitting idle there. And see, this lady is just, she wanted just what, to touch this rabbit, and I should take so that she can get some kind of money. Yeah, that's a very saddest thing. There was no tourist, and people were looking for people आए, इनसे हमसे ही इनका घर चलेगा. एक चीज़ हमें समझनी पड़ेगी कि हमसे ही इनका घर चलेगा. ये दाना पानी है, वहाँ का बहुत फेमस रेस्टोरेंट है, खाली है, आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर. इसके बाद मैं गई रेडिसन गई, क्योंकि रेडिसन मैं करती हूँ, रेडिसन में मुझे लोग जानते हैं. और आई डेफिनेटली मीट द GM ऑफ द रेडिसन होटल. ही वॉज वेरी गुड. आई सॉ द ट्यूलिप्स देयर. देन आई वेंट टू माई फ्रेंड्स होटल. I have been there. This is a very beautiful property, new property. I clicked the pictures from the room balcony. I captured, but as of now there is no tourist. See, this is the hotel entry. Still it's under construction. Now this, you can see the road. This is the saddest thing, ki you can't find anybody over there. All the shops are closed. People are not opening even their shops. Now I'm going back. I saw this man. He started waving his hand. I'm in a taxi going towards the airport. See, my bags are packed here. Now here I'm giving a review what I felt in 2 days being in Pahalgam, roaming around freely on the roads, on the points where people used to go. I met few of my hotel associates. what I felt is secure. Yeah, definitely secure, because such thing happens there, and it's not that it's happening daily. It's not happening. That episode was there, that particular episode happened, and that's end. Now people have to move on, we have to move on, we have to be strong enough to tell these terrorists that we are not the coward. हम डरते नहीं हैं, हम डरने वालों में से नहीं हैं. See, I'm saying bye bye. Now this is the last pic of the day, and this is my flight. I'm going back to Delhi. Bye bye. See you again.